Hello everyone, I hope you guys all are doing well. You can see today I'm here on the Skyway. So we have a crew door. So we are going to the White Pass Trail to have a look the scenery or place, and let's see. You guys will also stay with me and enjoy together.
Make sure you will get it back.
I think I will sit here. Window.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, people are
Make
coming
sure that
here.
everyone on board has had their tickets scanned. Again, if you have not got your tickets scanned,
Oh, one train. We are going to join. running here.
Keeping himself warm.
So busy. One more trail. One more trail is coming again.
One of our trains up to this stop, you can get off and follow a beautifully maintained trail to the glacier and catch another train that will return you down. As we get back to Glacier Station, this time we will be passing 2 trains on our left-hand side. On marker 14.
There is one train is coming.
I'm just gonna get in this box really quick. Oh, sorry. No, it's okay.
You're taking video, right?
Train may come to a stop. Please remember that there is no getting off the train at any point. We will soon be traveling downhill, and the train does have to adjust to more slack between the cars, so experiencing more bumps and jolts is completely normal. We call this the accordion effect, so please be making sure that you are holding on to something on those outside platforms and not moving around inside your train cars. Now, by now, you all have met your amazing roaming guides, Diana and Megan. Diana and Megan. The next time you see these 2 ladies, I'm so
Here you can see the 2 flags. This is the Canada and US border. So now we are closing in the Canada side.
Good idea.
Ooh, say hi!
Welcome to Manila.
Yay!
Harry Potter.
Oh.
Founder of Skagway, Captain William Moore, was able to persuade Skookum Jim, a Chilkoot native, to guide him through this other nearby pass. On June 6, 1887, Captain Moore and Skookum Jim began the hike after the bridge. We will be going through Tunnel Mountain, which is about 250 feet long and very dark, so please prepare yourselves for darkness.
be a chance to see them.
In the late 1890s. So we will actually not be. Up there is also our famous wooden trestle bridge. Before heading up there, we will be making a large horseshoe curve through the Warm Valley. Yeah, my into the city on Skagway, so you will not need your passports. Our train will be taking a loop in the track up at the summit before heading back down, so don't worry, you will get to see both sides of the beautiful scenery around us, because if you are sitting on one side going up, you will be on the other side on the way down. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Why you say hello? Say goodbye to the people.
I don't want to turn like that.
Finally, please do not adjust the stoves that are in your cars. If you need assistance with the temperature in your coach, please let one of our train staff know. Thank you very much for your compliance and understanding. Now, I would like to go ahead and introduce myself and welcome you all aboard the historic White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad. My name is Savannah, and I will be your narrator today. Also, at this time, I would like to introduce you to our train crew. Up in the front of the train is our engineer, Williams. Our engineer is actually the person running the train today. Our conductor, the person in charge of the train today, is Conductor Pemberton. The second in command assisting them is Brakeman Danielson. Our amazing Roman tour guides today are Diana and Megan, and if you have not met these two ladies yet, you will shortly. On your seats this afternoon, you should have all found complimentary copies of the All Aboard magazine. If you take a look at the very back of that magazine, you will see
face of an angel, pretty eyes that shine. I lie awake at night, wishing you were mine. I'm standing here holding the biggest heartache in town. Whenever you come around, I'm so scared to death. And when you smile, that's mine. The world turns upside down. Whenever you come around, I feel so helpless. I feel just like a kid. What is it about you makes me keep my feelings here? I wish I could tell you, but the words can't be found. Whenever you come around, I get weak in the knees, and I lose my breath. Oh, I try to speak, but the words won't come. I'm so scared to death. When you smile, that's mine. The world turns upside down. Whenever you come around,